In this video, I will show you how to add Telegram chat to WordPress website. Let's get started. In order to do that, you need to actually sign up to Elp site right here. So click on this add new app. And then once you have clicked on it, click on this search bar and search in here for Telegram chat. So you should be able to see it right here. So click on this one. And then once you have clicked on it, it will ask you to choose a template that you want to use in this case. So they have a lot of templates right here that you can choose from, such as this one, also this one, and also this one. So in my case, I'll head over and then use this, or also this, and then click on this continue with this template. And then it will ask you for your Telegram username or link. So in my case, I'll head over and just add in here my Telegram username or link. Now you can also choose the bubble icon as well as the bubble text and also the picture that you want to display right here, as well as the welcome message. And also you can choose the settings and also the appearance for this one. So once you're done with that, click on publish right here, and as you can see, it will be published. Now it will ask you what plan you want to install this widget. So in this case, let's choose this free plan right here. It only allows one widget. Click on the select right here. And then as you can see, the Telegram chat has been added. Now head over and copy this code. Now let's head over right here to my pages that I have. Now in this case, I'll head over and then add it on my communication preferences. So I'll head over and edit it. And then as you can see, it's loading right here. Now in here, let's just head over and then search in here for HTML. So let's actually drag this HTML right here whenever you want to put it, or you can also have the option to just click it and it will automatically be added on the very last part. Now just paste in here what we have copied, and you can also click on this preview right here in order to see what it looks like. Now it will take some time for this one in order to show the preview, but once it's done, click on the save option right here. And then once it's been saved, you should be able to click on this icon right here in order to see what it looks like. So as you can see right here, we have now our Telegram icon. Now when you click on it, this is what it looks like. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.